पंचतारांकित हॉटेल्सच्या धर्तीवर मळगाव सावंतवाड येथील माई इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये मेरी मिक्स अप ट्रेडिशनल क्रिसमस केक मिक्सिंग सेरेमनीचं आयोजन केलं होतं। येत्या 25 डिसेंबरला विविध पदार्थांपासून बनवलेल्या केकचं सेलिब्रेशन केलं जाणार आहे। हॉटेल हायलैंड सरोवर पोर्टकोचे जनरल मॅनेजर सईद फैज नकवी, हॉटेल नोवोटेलो एक्झिक्युटिव्ह शेफ दिनेश राणा, गोवा येथील हॉटेल नोवोटेलाया लर्निंग अँड डेव्हलपमेंट मॅनेजर ममता नाईक, गोवा येथील हिल्टॉन गोवा रिसॉर्टचे फूड अँड ब्रेवरेज मॅनेजमेंट ध्रुव शर्मा, हिल्टॉन रिसॉर्ट असिस्टंट रेस्टॉरंट मॅनेजर अखिलेश मोरे, शेफ विजय नागपाल, ज्येष्ठ पत्रकार शेखर सामंत, लोकमान्य ट्रस्ट संचालक सचिन मांजरेकर, एक्झिक्युटिव्ह प्रवीण प्रभू केळकर, प्राचार्य अनिरुद्ध दास, साळगाव हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट कॉलेजचे प्राचार्य अमे महाजन, वामन राऊळ, प्रिया परुळेकर आदी उपस्थित होते।
We have also desired that we should follow this tradition, we should showcase this tradition as we try to invite all the wonderful experiences of a five-star hotel to our students in this institute. And with this in mind, we have started this traditional cake mixing ceremony from last year. This is our second year, and we are happy to have so many students and so many hospitality stalwarts with us today as we do the mixing. We have a little bit of interesting carol singing from our students coming up live, and then we'll all get together and have a great mix. So thank you once again, and ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure that you have really thought it very important that we took out time from your very busy schedules and you have come here, and your presence here today really encourages our students, and we want this mentorship, your handholding from the industry, and I think that's going to be very important for the growth of our students, and we want to have the students get the best learning from the industry as well, not only the syllabus. Thank you so much for being here today.
As you are all aware, my name is Faizan. I've been part of Sarovar team, heading the Highland group, Sarovar Island, Sindhudurg as a GM. A beautiful resort. Would request everyone to please take time and come and visit. It's one of the nature's retreat, you can say, on the uphill cliff next to the sea. And it's honor to be part of this ceremony, and thank you sir for calling us and calling me. I was also like you all standing here. I was also 18-20 years back. I was also like a student. BIHM. I've been part of MIT University. But all the best. I've seen your institute also. Ma'am has taken me. Priya has shown me the institute. Good. You have a lot of options here. It's kind of a mini hotel. You have so many things. You have labs, you got physical rooms, got bar and everything. Please focus. Just believe in yourself.
So it's a positivity time, it's a celebration time. Celebrate. I was talking to the chef also, like, I heard that we're going to make 400 cakes out of all these things and that we are going to sell in the stores. That's a very good thing. Because you guys are working like a professional. Okay, so best of luck. And yeah, thank you very much sir for today giving the opportunity to speak in front of all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir for inviting us. It's really privileged to be here. And as I all can see, 20 years back as we were standing in the same position, but you guys, I must say, are very privileged. Okay? Because you have got some of the best equipment, and I believe great for teachers as well. Okay? So 3 things I definitely want you all to keep in mind. One is your consistency at work. Second is your passion, and third is gratitude. we do everything, but we forget to say thank you.
And it takes courage to speak in front of people, which you both are doing very good. Kudos to you. And kudos to the entire team of the college who has pulled up this cake mixing ceremony. We do it every year in our hotels, in our resorts, and it is actually the time when you enjoy. This is the festivity time. You all should enjoy these moments. You should cherish them once you come to the industry. You would all remember that. And please stay focused. We need all of you.
Jinathan, ex-operator, and all this cooperation for the last 55 years. And here for this auspicious occasion, you can say that. And you see your boys, nice team there, and hope you all will learn how to do that thing here and keep on doing as many as you want.